So if you're going to be asking me if we are still in the bearish market state, right now it's showing really good signs of getting into continuing its bullish rally. What's up guys? In this video, we will be talking about Bitcoin. We'll check some expert opinions and some future predictions. I'm not a financial advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Bitcoin's website, guys. You can go ahead and check that one out as well. It's bitcoin.org, and then this actually will give you enough information if you are very new with crypto and you would like to know more about Bitcoin. This is the website that you could go to. And we will also get into other articles here, just like this one in Investopedia. This is actually a very good article that you can depend on in case you would like to know about like expert opinions, price analysis, and all those good stuff. All right. So this one, as you can see guys, it talks about Bitcoin's price history, and then back in 2009 until 2015. So at that time frame, Bitcoin had a price of just zero when it was introduced in 2009, and the price has jumped from its long-held level of $0.1 and went up to $0.2 on October 26 of 2010. Now fast forwarding to 2016 till the 2020 year, it actually increased slowly and climbed through 2016 to over $900, and it slowly climbed in 2016 and went to over $900 by the end of that year. Now in 2017 guys, Bitcoin's price hovered around $1,000 until it broke the $2,000 in mid-May and then skyrocketed to $19,345 on December 16 of 2017. Now, fast forwarding guys to today, it is actually doing very well to start off 2024, because back in 2022 there was, you know, a long hold of like 18-ish thousand to like the $25,000 mark for the Bitcoin's price. But through the 2023 fourth quarter, Bitcoin has rallied really well, and then right now we are at $46,000 for Bitcoin already, and hopefully it will continue its bullish run. Now also guys, I would like to open up this one because this is like a burning question for other people, that, you know, is the biggest price swings happening on weekends, right? Now, it depends, but Bitcoin prices remain volatile throughout the week and the weekend. And the fact is, there is less trading volume on the weekends, therefore reducing the liquidity. But the significant drop in the volume is likely from professional traders who cease trading on weekends. So at least, you know, they also take time off their busy schedule to spend time and relax a bit. Now, Bitcoin retail traders should be cautious when trading on the weekends, religiously executing their exit strategies on every trade. So you have to be strategic, you have to know and be speculative with whatever you're doing. But if you are that person that hodls, like you don't really care much on the price actions for this month or for this year or something like that, you just want to hold it until the time where it skyrockets and it's time for you to liquidate that or take profit from that, then you could hodl and do that. But if you are like a day trader or a speculative trader, then you have to make sure that you are on point and you always monitor those charts. All right, now for the expert opinion guys, predictions for Bitcoin price to trade within the range of 27,341 and 118,102 in 2024. But again guys, it is variable. There are a lot of different things in making your trade. You don't just buy and then hold it and then sell whenever you want, right? You need to make sure that you know how to do your technical analysis, and you can go ahead and check our channel. We created videos that are very beginner friendly. So if you are new in trading, go ahead and check the channel out. There is a video definitely that is going to be really good for you. So just like what I mentioned guys, according to the historical data and the meticulous analysis for 2024, it is going to be, the yearly low will be at 27,341, and then we could, all right, we could go as high as 118,102 by the end of 2024. Alright guys, so looking at the Bitcoin USDT chart, this is set on a 4-hour interval, and as you could see, we are still on the uptrend starting the year right. Okay, but all right, so we ended the year on a positive note, so it actually did some consolidation at one part, and then it went high up when we started the new year, and this is, as you can see on your screen, was January the 2nd. And this is actually the scariest part of the chart, wherein it went from the high of 45,000, it went straight down to 40,000-ish. And then from there, it recovered and started its way up and still showing bullish signs. But again, guys, all right, let me go ahead and change this one up to the 1-day interval. And as you can see, we're still moving up the ladder right here, and we're still trying to break resistances. Comparing it from the previous months, we are getting closer and closer to the all-time high that was back then in the fourth quarter of 2021. All right, so looking at this one right here, okay, so this was right at November of 2021. This is 69,000, and we are inching closer and closer to that point. But again, guys, this is not a financial advice. This is just a mere analysis on what is happening in Bitcoin. And right now, guys, it is still volatile. And this is from January 8th until January 9th. It went a really good pump, and then went steady for quite some time, and then went down, and then still doing its consolidation. So guys, make sure to take note. And for those that are doing their day trades, so right now, guys, still showing good signs. It went straight up until 48,000 at one point, but it went to close down at 47,000. Okay, and then it's actually dropped a bit at 45,000, but we're still in good shape. So if you're going to be asking me if we are still in the bearish market state, right now it's showing really good signs of getting into continuing its bullish rally. And as you can see here on the 1-week trading intervals, it's still going straight up, and the 1-day interval still inching closer and closer to the all-time high. Again, guys, I am wishing you guys luck with all of your trades. Hopefully you are doing your technical analysis right. You're not gonna be making everything correct, but as long as you are getting more wins than losses, then that is actually what really matters the most. All right, so go ahead and check out the end screen videos, guys. I'm sure those videos will definitely be helpful with your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.